In this episode, we are going to be making an awesome turkey. I can't wait to paint with you. Check it out. His name is Gobbles. Okay, so we want to get our brushes ready and our colors ready. We're going to be using some smaller brushes, so get those out, get those ready. And we're going to be using some different cool colors. So let me show you what colors we got. Ooh, what color is this? That's right, red, just like my hat. Look at that. That's what we're gonna use. I've got this different kind of tube. What color is that? Oh, that is brown, yeah. We also have, ooh, a bright color, just like right here, huh? That's yellow. Okay, oh. Whoa, check out this color. Whoa, it's black. So get your colors ready, get your plate ready, whatever you need to do to get ready to paint with me. We're gonna have a great time painting together, and we've got our awesome turkey coming up next. Alright, for our first color, we're going to start off with brown. I'm putting some on my plate, as you can see. And getting it all set, I'm using a small brush. This is a nice little edge brush. It's really good to draw with. And I want you to find something that works best for you. Now, I put some plain brown on my brush, and I made an upside down U. You can see I'm not quite to the top of the canvas, but I'm trying to get it at least kind of in the middle. And you can see I'm just making the line a little bit easier for you to see. Now what we got to do is start on our turkey body. And we do this by adding a couple different lines coming out on each side, as you can see. Here we go. We're going to start adding some awesome little wings coming out. And these are basically like three little lumps just kind of popping out, like half ovals just coming out on each side. There you go. It's okay if they're not perfect, if they're uneven, don't worry about it. And now, one last swoop to get our turkey body connected. There you go. I'm just darkening it up a little bit so you can see. So I started off with brown, just so you can see that that's going to be one of our main colors in this painting. I put a little bit more paint on my brush, and I'm deciding right now where I want to make my next line. There it is. There's one. There's two. And then watch this. Oh, there. I'm making some turkey eyes. That's right. You try to make them as even as you can. It's okay if they're not fully even. Don't worry about it. And now I'm making another connecting line right underneath it. There you go, that's its little turkey beak. Way to go, you're doing just fantastic, I can tell, look at that. You just be careful, take your time, it's okay to make mistakes. It's okay if you mess up, because we're gonna outline this at the very end, so don't worry, keep going. Here we go, look at that, we've got its little gobbler. Gobbles is starting to look good. It's okay if you still use brown on this step. And now we're going to start doing some outside stuff. Check this out. Look at one line swooping up and over. We're going to do the same on the other side, just so you can kind of have that evenness. And then here we go. We're going to make another line. And one last one. We were making the turkey tail. It's little feathers that are sticking out in the back. Fantastic. Now what? Oh, I know what we're gonna make. Yep, turkey legs. We got its little legs coming out. And we gotta make its little feet. Ooh, there you go. Wow, great job. It's okay if it's not perfect. I love it. I love making mistakes. It's so fun. It makes it look a little bit more realistic and handcrafted. There it is. All right, now you can see that your turkey is taking shape. It's coming to life. What you want to do now is just get ready, take a break if you need to, and then we're going to come back and we're going to color some of this turkey in with some awesome colors, and it's going to be a simple step. Get ready. Wow, you're looking like a pro coloring it in. Isn't that fun? You get to see all of that color come to life. Now I made some red happen on there, and what I did now is I mixed a little bit of that brown with the red, and it made almost kind of like a rust color, a little bit more of a fall color, and I'm coloring it in right now with that beautiful, beautiful color. I just mixed the little bit of brown and a little bit of that red, and look how pretty that color is. That's it. You got it. Way to go. Now it's time for our really bright color, yellow. Look at all of it. Ooh, just putting a little bit on that nice little palette. I'm mixing some red into my yellow, and that makes what color? You got it. Orange. Way to go. Now everybody's orange is going to be a little bit different, but here's mine. Look at that. I'm filling in his turkey beak. Gobbles, gobbles, gobbles. You're looking so good. Gobbles, gobbles, gobbles. I don't know what rhymes with good. Should. Would. Could. There we go. I'm filling in his little feet with the same exact color. Woohoo! Wow, you're getting good at this. Look at that. And it's okay if it's touching some of the brown, no big deal. Whew! Oh man, I know you're doing a great job. Keep it going. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and outline our turkey. That means if you messed up or you made any little mistake, this helps. This actually brings the turkey together, makes it look a little bit better, all right? So, what do I mean? Let me show you. Ooh, see? We're going to outline all our parts right here. It's going to be so fantastic. It's going to look so cool. You get your eyes going. Oh my gosh. And then you get all these little details, which is so fun. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Ooh, here comes the fun part. It's so cool doing this part because you get to use plain black. And black is such a dominant color that it sometimes can actually take over the entire painting, but in this case, it's not. We're not going to let it. All we're doing is outlining and adding some little details onto our painting. Watch this. We got our small brush, and you've got plain black, and I'm going to start making his little turkey eyes. Look at this. This is fun. Make a little circle, and then you make another one on the other side. Way to go. Have fun with that. Wow, way to go. I know you're taking your time and making sure that it's looking really good for yourselves. And as you can see, I'm just using my small brush and taking my time as well. Yep, you don't have to be in a hurry. It's all good. But as you can see, the black really makes the colors pop out at you, and it just looks so fantastic. Keep up the great work. Now this is the cool part about doing a painting. Let's just say you didn't like, maybe your turkey, how it looked a little bit. Maybe it just didn't look right. Well, check this out. I added his little eyebrows, and watch what I'm going to do next. I'm going to change this turkey's entire look by just this step. Watch this. I make two little lines coming out the side, and I make its little happy turkey smile. There's Gobbles for you. Hope you enjoy. Well, that's the show. I'm so happy you got your turkey painted. Keep it going. Keep practicing. Have fun. Next week, we are going to have even more cool stuff where we've got an awesome birthday painting. I can't wait for you to see it. It's going to be a total cool thing of how you can see a little bit behind the scenes of how we do some of our events. You get to see some kids painting. You get to have fun with us, all right? So keep painting. Remember, anyone can paint. Keep it up. I'm so proud of you. So proud of you. We'll see you on the next show.